How to reduce lag and improve FPS in OTR 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily reduce lag and improve the FPS in OTR 2 game. So the first thing you want to do is to launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and click on options from the top. Now inside the options tab, go ahead and tap on GFX detail. Tap on it until you reach the low option. Set it to low or medium. Once you do that, go to resolution and keep it to ultra performance. Set FPS limit to 30, not more than that for now. And once you do this, get back to your game. Now, this will save your changes, and once you do that, you will be able to notice some difference in the game. If that works, it's great. If it does not, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and restart your game. Close off the OTR 2 game, just force close it, and make sure that all of the apps running in the background are also closed at the moment. And now, go ahead and open up Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in OTR2 and search. Once you find the OTR2 game, just click on it and look if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on update. If you want to update the game automatically, you can also set the enable auto update function. And once you do that, after downloading the latest version of the app, you'll be able to fix most of the issues out there, such as lagging or glitching. So while opening up the app, make sure that all of the background running apps are closed at the moment. Just make sure the OTR 2 is the only game that's running on the device. Another thing you can do is to free up some storage space. There are lots of applications that you no longer use or which you use very rarely. Just go ahead and press hold on that app and click on the delete icon and uninstall the application from your device that you no longer use. Free up some storage space on your device plays an important role for any of the game out there to run smoother. And another thing you want to make sure is that you are using a reliable Wi-Fi network. Avoid downloading large files while playing the game, as it can increase the lags. So if nothing else works out, just go ahead and restart your device. Once you restart your device, give it a quick reset, you will be able to get back to the game and play it a lot more smoother than before. So those were some of the fixes you could use in order to reduce lag and improve FPS in OTR 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.